Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Expedia's One Key Cash. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is come on over to expedia.com and sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into your account, if you click onto your name, you're going to see your One Key Cash balance below. So if you got enough One Key Cash, you might be able to, or you should be able to book a hotel. It just depends of that booking type. So not every booking is eligible for the One Key Cash, so the option may not appear for all reservations. So just keep that in mind. So basically, you need to get to the checkout option to use your One Key Cash. So go ahead and select the hotel, flight, or other travel options you want to book. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and find one. Okay, so I'm in the checkout of Novotel Perth. Now, in the payment details, this is where your One Key Cash, you're going to be able to use it here. And to the right, we're going to see how much One Key Cash we're going to get after this trip. So if I book this, I'm going to get $3.75 in One Key Cash. So I'm not going to be able to select that because I don't have enough One Key Cash to book it. But if you do, you're going to have the option here in payment details.